Shall we talk about the importance of water and drinking it? Cheers, my friend. The human body does not have water stored up to use if you're dehydrated. For this reason, you should drink more water regularly throughout the day. Water is used in the spinal disc to form water cushions to absorb impact. Water is the main lubricant in joint cavities. As a result, it helps prevent arthritis and back pain. Dehydration creates toxic sediment deposits in the tissue spaces, joints, kidneys, liver, brain, and skin. Water will get rid of all these deposits. It is essential for cooling the body when you're sweating and heating it up when you're trying to burn calories. As far as losing weight, drinking water is the best way to do so. Drinking more water and losing weight without dieting. Also, you should not eat too much at all at once when you're feeling hungry. In fact, you may just be thirsty. Portable water helps you differentiate between the sensation of hunger and thirst. Alright, let's take a water break, everyone. Pause the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends who aren't drinking enough water. Dehydration impedes the production of sex hormones. In fact, this is one of the main causes of impotence and the loss of libido. Water makes the eyes more lustrous and bright. Water makes the skin softer, thus it helps reduce the effects of aging. Water helps reduce fatigue. As a result, it gives you youthful energy. It restores your normal sleep schedules. Water can help prevent memory loss as you age. This helps you reduce the risk of Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, and Lou Gehrig's disease. Water helps reduce the addictive impulse, including those of caffeine, alcohol, and some medications. It is a part of your brain and body function. Thus, it increases your capacity to do and achieve goals and intentions. Water helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It is part of your brain and body functions. Thus, it increases your capacity to achieve goals and intentions and passions. Water helps reduce stress and anxiety and depression. Water is better than any other drink in the world to wake us up. Water is better than any other drink in the world to wake us up. What's more, it has no side effects. The amazing thing about water is it has no side effects. Water is better than any other drinks in the world to wake us up. But be careful. Too much of a good thing can be bad, so don't drink too much water. Water does not only increase your work productivity, but also increases your attention span. It can help prevent ADHD in kids and adults. Water is directly necessary for the production of all brain hormones, including melatonin. It is directly necessary to efficiently create all the neurotransmitters like serotonin. Water gives us the power and electrical energy for all our brain functions, especially for thinking. Also, it prevents arterial blockage in the heart and brain. Water helps reduce the risk of heart attacks and brain damage. It thins the blood and prevents blood clots. Water reduces the feeling of morning sickness during pregnancy. Water diminishes premenstrual cramps and hot flashes. Water helps dilute your blood. It works with your circulation to keep things from settling and forming deposits in the bloodstream. Water helps dilute your blood. It works with your circulation to keep things from settling and forming deposits in the bloodstream. Water is absolutely vital for making the immune system more efficient in different areas. As a result, it helps combat infections and fights cancerous cells. Water normalizes the fabrications of blood in the bone marrow. Water normalizes the fabrication of blood in the bone marrow. Therefore, it helps prevent leukemia and lymphoma. Water majorly increases the effectiveness of the immune system in the bone marrow. That is, where the immune system is formed. This includes its effectiveness in fighting cancer. It is the best laxative for preventing constipation. Water cleanses toxins. It is the best laxative for preventing constipation. Water cleanses tox residues from different parts of the body. Then it carries them to the liver and kidneys so that they can be extracted. It helps prevent glaucoma. Water helps increase the body's rate of absorption of essential substance in foods. Water helps increase the body's rate of absorption of essential substance in foods. Water energizes foods and particles of food, capable of providing the body with this energy during digestion. This is why food has absolutely no caloric value for the body without water. It is important. It is a major factor in dissolving all foods, vitamins, and minerals. That is, the body uses it to help break down foods into small particles, eventually metabolizing and digesting. Water is a major factor in dissolving all foods, vitamins, and minerals. That is, the body uses it to help break down foods into small particles and eventually metabolize and digest them. When water reaches a cell, it provides it with cellular oxygen. Also, its residual gases to the lungs so they can be released. When water reaches a cell, it provides it with cellular oxygen. Also, it takes residual gases to the lungs so they can be released. Water increases red blood cells' effectiveness in gathering oxygen from the lungs. The body uses water to transport all substances throughout the body. Water increases red blood cells' effectiveness in gathering oxygen from the lungs. The body uses water to transport all substances throughout the body. It prevents damage in the DNA. Additionally, it makes repairing mechanism more efficient. As a result, there's less abnormal DNA. Water is an adhering agent within the cell structure. It generates electric and magnetic energy inside the body's cells that provides energy to live. Water is the primary source of energy in the body. The comprehensive scarcity of water first suppresses and eventually kills some aspects of our body. And last, without water, there is no life. So make sure you stay hydrated, drink a good amount of water every single day, and see what difference it makes in your life. Let me know what your favorite benefits are of water in the comments below. So in the adult female body, it's about 55% of water. And here's the different percentage for each: the brain, blood, heart, bones, muscles, liver, and kidneys. The bones contain 25%, teeth 8%, blood 50%. The reason the different organs in the human body have different percentage of water is there's different functions, because 2/3 of the total body water is contained inside cells. Organs that are large and highly cellular contain a higher percentage of that total water. Did you know the human organs, the kidneys made up 80 to 85% of water. The heart is 75 to 80%. The lungs is 75 to 80%. The brain is 80 to 85. Muscles 70 to 75. Skin also 70 to 75. And liver 70 to 75. I know how Dunkin' Donuts says your body runs on Dunkin', but it doesn't. Your body runs on water. And guess what? You're mostly water. So it's important to stay hydrated. Drinking water first thing in the morning will help your body immensely. You'll see a notable improvement in your energy, focus, performance throughout the day with one simple habit. Don't overdo it on the water. This can dilute sodium. Morning energy tip. Your body runs on water. At night, your body repairs itself and needs to recharge its batteries, and it's heavily detoxifies. Most people wake up dehydrated. Drinking water first thing on an empty stomach reduces brain fog, improves circulation, stimulates the bowels, allowing the body to remove waste more effectively from a night of detoxing. Here's the benefits of drinking more water. So start today.